It is often said Jamaicans are a creative bunch, industrious people inventing business ventures at the drop of a hat.
Just make rain fall and you see umbrella out for sale.
A vibrant entrepreneurial spirit that can rival any other nation. However, what is lacking is the business acumen to take a concept from a hustle into a conglomerate. It's those thought processes and the aptitude for long-lasting business enterprises that the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, the JBDC, seeks to instill in persons as the country celebrates Global Entrepreneurship Week.
Entrepreneurship, we earnestly believe, is the way to go.
Entrepreneurship is said to be the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture. At its core, entrepreneurship involves starting a business from scratch, taking it from an idea to actually managing the enterprise for the long term. Business experts say that the key to becoming an entrepreneur is as simple as doing something, that an entrepreneur is a doer, not a dreamer. As the entrepreneurial spirit is intertwined with innovation and risk-taking, it's essential to a nation's ability to succeed in an ever-changing and increasingly competitive global marketplace.
The other critical part of the business is you. Are you the entrepreneur? Are you the person that has that skill, have that stick-to-itiveness, have that passion to run this business and make it a success?
The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce has seen entrepreneurship working in Jamaica, producing successful local companies, some with world-renowned brands. These are among the approximately 300,000 micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, operating in the country. A focus of the government is to increase that number as part of the economic reform program to grow the economy. As such, the recently launched MSME entrepreneurship policy seeks to inculcate an entrepreneurial culture whilst enhancing the local business environment.
The policy framework, I suggest, is indispensable to achieving the goals and objectives of Vision 2030, our National Economic Development Plan. It entails a working definition of MSMEs, as well as a policy mission and vision. Key elements, issues, objectives, and core strategies.
The ministry has taken it a step further with the introduction of the observance of Global Entrepreneurship Week GEW in Jamaica. Global Entrepreneurship Week is recognized as the world's largest celebration of innovators and job creators. The local inaugural celebration of the week is being commemorated November 18 to 23.
The aim is to inspire the SMEs in Jamaica through local and national interventions designed to help them explore their potential as self-starters.
The celebrations kick off on the first day with business clinics in Kingston, Mandeville, Hanover, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Savannah Lamar.
These events are designed to link entrepreneurs with industry experts, provide guidance in financing, taxation, intellectual property, and business formalization.
The JBDC will also host an open day at its incubator and resource center on Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston to showcase its services and offer technical and product development support to entrepreneurs in the various sectors. But the main event is a business startup expo set for November 22 at the Terra Nova All Suites Hotel. The expo will be a blend of workshops tackling various issues such as getting started, the registration process, networking, funding, branding, and intellectual property rights. The week of celebrations culminates on November 23 with the Scotiabank Capacity Building Seminar titled Winning Tools to Grow Your Business. It takes place at the bank's training center on Arcadia Boulevard in St. Andrew. The government has laid the platform for the growth of MSMEs in the country. They know that entrepreneurship is necessary for nation building, wealth creation, and job security. Take the leap of faith too. The JBDC is ready and equipped to provide the necessary technical training and financial support.
The leap between a good idea and a good business sometimes require a lot of support, a lot of guidance, a lot of research to make sure, for instance, that the idea is something that the market will buy.
Don't stand on the sideline and wonder what if. Be your own boss. Be an entrepreneur.